Everyone. So today, day 8 of the 30-day execution project. Today, guess what? Yes, another win, another beautiful win here on the NASDAQ, and I'll be going through exactly what I did today. So, yeah, as usual, we marked out our lows and our highs of the previous sessions, both on NQ and on ES. So we have those all marked out. And today my bias was towards the downside because we had broken through VWAP and we were mostly in a downtrend after we had broken structure towards the downside here in pre-market. And yeah, and so that was my bias. I was looking for shorts during for the day, and we got it. We caught some beautiful shorts. Now, a lot of stuff were going on here at the beginning. There was a lot of different. Look at this high volume candle that came. It looked like it was going to close below the orb, but it came back up. Same here. It's a super high volume candle right here. But what I wanted to wait for was for us to have a break here, close with high volume delta on NQ, but also on ES. And see, on ES, we didn't get that. We didn't get that positive. We didn't get that high volume delta candle, and so I waited. It looked like we were going to trend towards the upside then, but then we reversed off of VWAP both. Well, actually just on ES, but here we kind of like touched the orb and reversed off of it. And then what I was looking for here was for us to break, I wanted us to break NQ and to break on ES as well. And look, we had a beautiful delta candle, delta volume candle, and a beautiful candle that broke both here and here. And I basically put my target for this low, which is an untested low that we had all the way over here. And look how beautiful. Look at that reversal. Look at that insane reversal we got. So we got into the trade. We took our profit right here, and look at that to a T. And look at what price did further on. But look, we got our little scalp. I'm happy we got our 40 points. And that was it. So we were patient. We were extremely patient here because it looked really frustrating to look at the charts because there was no entry. But I wasn't rushed to look for an entry either. I was waiting patiently for that break here on ES as well, and we got it. And we took that trade on NQ. Look, perfectly to a T. It hit exactly the level that I wanted it to hit, 40. I had my 25-point stop up around here, and look at price, how it did. It reacted. I could have taken that trade, but I wasn't positive that this low was actually going to be swept. It was perfectly. Like, look at that. That would have been, if you would have taken that trade, if you would have taken it to a T. Look at that. Almost 140 points. It's a little unrealistic, but I mean, you could have taken that trade. You could have taken that trade easily. So yeah, good day. That is 4 days in a row now that that we win. We've been hitting banger after banger after banger, which is brilliant. And now we need 2 more winning days of around 250. I think it is. But I just go for my points and that's it. I'm not worried about how much I make. I'm looking for the points. I make my points, and yeah. But I think 2 more days of 250. Is it 250? Yeah, $250 or more, and then we'll be eligible for a payout, which is perfect. So that is it for today, day 8. And look at how patience rewarded us here. We got our quick little scalp, and we're out for the day. We're done for the day, and that's what patience gives you. So that's it for the day, and hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. See you tomorrow.